Are you feeling lost when it comes to defining your personal style? It's time to discover the power of creating a vision and boosting your confidence through new skills. Join me in this video where I will show you how to define your personal style, use classic timeless pieces to establish that style, and boost your confidence through new skills, because style is just a skill. Say goodbye to fashion confusion and hello to a wardrobe that really reflects your true self. Thanks for joining me here. I'm excited to share with you why you need to have a vision for your style. You need a vision for your marriage, right? For your business, for your parenting strategy. So when it comes to the woman in the mirror, you need a vision for your style, because what you wear impacts everything out there. It impacts your marriage, your mood, your money, your mojo, everything. So it behooves you to learn then how to dress on the outside in a way that's going to reflect the woman on the inside. So let's get going. So how do you create a vision for your personal style? Well, guess what? You just decide what you like and what you don't like, what you see that inspires you, and that's what you think, that's not so me. The first port of call is know thyself. If you don't know you, how must others know you and understand you and be able to connect with you and approach you? So when you come to creating a vision for your personal style, take pen to paper and just start with, what do I like? What colors do I like? Which colors actually seem to repel me a little bit, that I don't really feel comfortable or confident in? And you'll only know that when the word of the day is, as always, is play. You've got to try different things. You've got to play around. You've got to shop your closet. You've got to mix and match. But take pen and paper and write down the items and the colors that you like. For example, maybe you love orange. Maybe you love green. I'm not a big fan of green, but as you can see, I'm trying green lately, and I'm mixing and matching all kinds of things because I get a lot of compliments when on the rare occasion I wear green. So I'm thinking, okay, I'm going to play with it a little bit. Maybe you like navy over black. Maybe you like a crisp white rather than a soft kind of ivory color. So write down the colors that you like and then those that you don't like. And then also write down, do you like pantsuits? Do you like dress suits? Do you like dresses over pants? Do you like wide leg pants? Do you like skinnies of all different kinds? Do you like a fitted blouse versus a beautiful billowy floaty blouse? Both are beautiful. Write down the things you like and you don't like. Start there. You can also pull in friends or family and just say to them, hey guys, I'm just going to have a brainstorming session. Pull your girlfriends in, have some wine one night or whatever it is that blows your hair back, and say, okay, together, you guys know me well. I want to come up with a vision for my personal style. What have you seen me that really looks amazing that I maybe have forgotten about or don't remember that it looked so good? Get other people who love you and who know you well and who are going to support you on this beautiful journey to give some ideas and some details around what they've seen you wear that really made you go, oh my gosh, you look gorgeous and you look so confident. Those are details you want to add that to your list as well. And then you can create a mood board, you can create a vision board, however you would like to do that. You can do it online, you can do a physical, practical one, and start putting in front of you, because this is what focus is all about. Putting in front of you the personal style that you would like to start evolving, because we know this about focus, right? What you focus on is what you're going to get. So if you're focusing on, I hate shopping, I don't know what my style is, I don't know where to go, I don't know how to do it, that's what you're going to get. More of the same, of nothing that's working for you. Yet you've got a closet full of clothes and nothing to wear. So put that vision board in front of you where you will see it every day, and it will inspire you to start focusing on your personal style. Another tip that will help you identify your personal style is ask yourself this question. What do you want to say when you walk into a room without saying a word? What do you want to say through the clothing that you wear? Do you want to communicate that you are a bold, confident, beautiful, strong, powerful woman? Or do you want to communicate that you are a loving, servant-hearted, gentle, beautiful, introverted woman? Neither is right or wrong. Both are beautiful. But you need to know what you want to say. Otherwise, you're going to be saying something that you have no clue about, because you don't have a clue how you're putting your clothes together, and you're going to be giving mixed signals out there. Or, even worse, you're going to be giving the same boring, predictable message that everybody sees you wearing time and time and time again. You're not boring. You're not predictable. You're called to arise and shine. So ask yourself, what do I want to say when I walk into a room or onto that Zoom call? If you want to communicate more confidence, I'm going to encourage you to bring red into your closet. I always say red, enough said. Red communicates confidence, it communicates power, it communicates love. And when you back it up, and this is really important, with a smile and good, positive, open, approachable body language, People are drawn to that. Men love women in red. Women love women in red. Yet what's not in your closet? Red. You can start small with red lipstick or red nail polish or a pair of beautiful red heels or some flat ballet flats. You don't have to go from zero to hero, but I can tell you this, that everybody loves a woman in red. When on the topic of confidence, how do you boost it? How do you get more of? Here's the good news. Confidence is built. It's different to self-esteem, and that's in another video if you want to check that out. The two go hand in hand. They are partners, but they are not the same thing. Confidence is something that you can build over time. How do you build it? Well, there's a few ways you can do. Personal style is one way that you build confidence, because with new skills comes new value. The marketplace, and by the way, Mr. Right, is looking for new value. And when you start dressing in a way that makes you feel confident and look good, your confidence is going to go up. The more you do it, the more you, like athletes, right? They get up and they get into their workout kit, they get into their training kit and they get on track, or they get to the pitch and they practice, the dribble. They're not there shooting slam dunks all day long. They're doing the basics. A good coach will tell that athlete, it's about the basics, master the basics, and that will create a platform for you to do the slam dunk every now and again in your outfit. But you have to master the basics. And that means you have to establish a good, effective, simple, smooth get-up, dress-up routine. Especially if you're not working from the office anymore and you're working from home. You have no excuse because there's no traffic to navigate. You've got so much extra time. So establish a decent, good, supportive get-up, dress-up routine. For example, mine is get up, make the kids lunch, take them to school. Sometimes I don't. I alternate sometimes with my husband. But then I'll work out, shower, get dressed, get to the office. I have no traffic to navigate. So I can have a really good, reliable system that keeps me on track, keeps me accountable, and helps me to move in the direction of my goals every day. So what does your get up, dress up routine look like? This is part of your vision. Are you married? Do you have kids? Are you single? Are you retired? Are you in your 30s or 40s and starting to really climb the corporate ladder? Do you live alone? What does that get up, dress up routine look like? If you love music, make sure that music is involved. That's part of your vision. If you love flowers, make sure that you've got flowers in your dressing room or your walk-in closet or your small area. It's not about how big a size you have or how many clothes you have. It's about a smart get up, dress up routine that is going to tell you what to do every day. It's like a non-negotiable partner who is for your success. That get up, dress up routine, you got to write it down. It's going to say what time you do what, in order of what, and why. And when you get that on paper, you go like, you know what, I can do that. I can be an athlete in my own life. I can get up, get into my training kit and focus, apply, and repeat. I can practice and practice and practice. That is going to boost your self-confidence. It's another thing that is an essential ingredient to the recipe, the skill that is personal style, because style is just a skill, and that's action. I can't tell you how many women I have spoken to over the years and coached with and worked with who have said, I've tried everything. No, you haven't. I've not met her yet, the woman who's tried everything. I haven't met her. And the woman who said, I can't find the right bra, can't find, all you're telling me is, I haven't made enough time. I haven't invested the time. Because if I can find those things, so then so can you. The only difference between you and I is I started sooner and I've invested more time and I've taken action. I haven't just sat praying and thinking and wishing and tried once or twice to go online and then given up. No, when I commit to something, I commit to myself and I follow through and I complete the thing, and I will not give up until I find that which I'm looking for, because I know it's out there and it's worth the effort. And it becomes fun when you go on this hunting expedition for that beautiful hot pink dress you're looking for, or those gorgeous, I don't know, navy heels with the silver sole, whatever it is you're looking for, it's out there. I'm not kidding you. I made a joke about this recently, and a beautiful client came back and I said to her, listen, you'll find anything. I haven't yet gone out and Googled polka dot high heels with a neon yellow sole, but I guess I'm sure that it's out there. Guess what? She came back to me like not long after. She said, Linda, look what I just found. There it was. Polka dot high heels with a neon sole. Everything that you're looking for is out there. We are beyond blessed with such crazy diversity and options. And the online shopping these days comes usually with really good return policies with no extra cost to you. So there's no excuse not to jump online and look for that thing that you're looking for. But part of your vision must be, what is your routine? And setting aside time, maybe once a month, maybe once a week, to write down the items that you need, what you're missing, where you're going to find them, in what color. This is all in my book, by the way. If you want to get registered for my next free webinar, go to lindapage.com and get yourself a seat. It's free, and I'm going to show you your body shape and what you look for and what kind of brands I found are over the last 20, 25 years, successful, quality, dependable brands, because you want to know where to go and where to find these things, right? But taking action is going to be the change agent. Talking about it, thinking about it, following influencers and getting on Pinterest and doing a mood board, that's all great. But that's all just like lovely, fluffy ideas until you get in your car or get on your computer and go out there and go after it. And looking good is not expensive. I know. I've been training and teaching myself how to dress well on a tiny budget since the age of 17. You don't have to break the bank at all to look good. I'm not a high-end designer shopper. Nothing against the Gucci's and the Pradas and the Yves Saint Laurents of the world. It's just not my style. And I refuse to pay those prices for clothes that I believe I can find elsewhere at a better price. That is, just not going to really hurt me financially. So you want to make sure that you make the decision to set aside the most important currency in your life, which is your time. Because if you don't invest the time, you're not going to get that what you're looking for. There's no shortcut, my friend. But to learn the skill around personal style is going to save you time. It's going to save you a lot of money. Other things you can do if you're working on a low or small budget is shop your closet. There are items in your closet that you haven't seen or worn, that you've totally forgotten about for the longest time because your closet is cluttered and it's not organized, right? Even if it's organized, there are items in there that haven't seen the light of day for far too long. So shop your closet, mix and match, put different things together, and you'll be surprised at the new outfits that you come up with. Another tip is find a good tailor. They are out there. They are not all expensive. Finding a good tailor is the mark of a woman with style, because you will always find something on a semi-regular basis that is either too big, too small, too long, too short, just needs a little bit of adjustment. And building a relationship with a really good tailor or seamstress that gets to know you over time is a very valuable thing when it comes to your personal style. And at the center of every woman's personal style is the capsule wardrobe. Basically, this concept is fewer items at a higher price, meaning higher quality, not quantity, and items that are very easily mix and matchable between one another so that you have a clear, organized, amazing, inspiring closet with less pieces that actually produce more outfits than the 200, 300, 400 items you've got in your closet. Less items. I'm not talking about 5 items. I'm not talking about a minimalist. I'm not a minimalist. I like variety and diversity and spontaneity in my wardrobe. So this we know, a man without a vision will perish. This weekend or tonight or whenever you have the first opportunity, take pen to paper and sit down and write down the colors and the pieces of clothing that you love and those that you don't love so much. Do it by yourself or bring friends and family into it and ask them to brainstorm with you and tell them that, how much you love them and how much you've encouraged them and how much they know that you love them, and just say, I would so love half an hour of your time just to pour into me, like, what have you seen me wearing that looks great? When have you seen me looking confident and energetic? I want to create a vision and I would love for your input. Remember that the word of the day is play. You need to play, you need to mix and match, you need to try, you need to shop your closet. Because you're going to have some hits and misses. But of those hits you have, you're going to create new outfits that you never knew were even in your wardrobe, and that's going to boost your confidence. So wrapping up, friend, don't box yourself into looking for a label for your personal style. So many women say to me, what's your personal style? And they're like, what do you call it? Well, it depends on the day. I will go from boho to the boardroom in the same day. I want to be able to go from corporate and classic to rock chic the next day. I want to do my own thing. I don't want to be bound and restricted by a label. It means I can only wear that. Same applies for colors. I'm not going to be bound and restricted by whether I'm a fall or a winter, or I'm not going to be bound by that. I am going to play and see what shade of green works on me. This seems to work. What shade of blue works on me. Again, come and join my next free webinar and I'll show you how to do that. But what's really important is that you make time today, friend, that make time today and make the decision that you're going to be committed to yourself, because your personal style is an extension of you and it's not limited to what you wear. It includes the luggage that you use when you go traveling. It includes when I walk in your room, your living room, your kitchen, your bathroom. All of that is an extension of you. So you're saying something all the time, every day, about what you wear. So the question remains, what do you want to say?